Alright guys, Jimmy here with One Road. Today I am just really excited about something. I'm just going to be uploading this video without much thought put into it, and the reason why is because I just put an awesome set of rims and tires on my 03 Suburban. Well, to be fair, I only put on these two on the passenger side, and that's because I really wanted to see the difference. Not only the difference in looks, which of course is amazing, but the difference in size, how far they stick out, and all that good stuff. So here is the original rim and tire. This is a 16-inch rim from the factory. This is what came on this truck. And we also have a set of Hankook Dynapro ATMs, and they are 265/70, and of course R16. Now, they don't look bad. I am a stock kind of guy. I don't like many of the upgraded, quote-unquote upgraded rims and tires that I see out there. There are a few exceptions. I think that the factory does it right from the beginning. That's why they pay their designers to design these trucks. So I really like the way the factory does it. Of course, you can put some bigger meats on there, but you know, the stock rims usually I feel like look the best on these trucks. In terms of stick out, I'm trying to show you how inset these stock rims and tires are into the body, and it's not terrible, but it's just not great. With that fender flare on there, they just seem like they're sucked up into the body so much. And here with these new rims and tires, you can see they stick out. I've already measured, but they stick out about 3/4 of an inch more than the other side, and I feel like it just looks perfect. It doesn't stick out past the fender flare, but it's right up there against it. Now, the other cool thing here is the fact that these tires are taller by about an inch than the old tires. So effectively, I just got an inch lift kit just from putting on these wheels and tires. So the measurement, you know, from the center line of the tire down to the ground to the bottom of this fender flare is an inch taller all the way around, well, an inch taller on this side than it is on the other side. All right guys, so hopefully this is coming off on camera, but these new tires here are definitely wider than the old tires. And if you really take a close look here, I'm trying to get the camera to focus correctly, that new tire is, like I was saying, about an inch taller than the old tire. Now, of course, you can see the design of the rim is much different. The new rim is 2 inches bigger, so it's an 18-inch rim, and the old school one is a 16. I do like the look of the old one, but the 18-inch rim definitely takes the cake here. These new tires are P265/65 R18, and those old ones are 265/70 R16. So guys, I am just so incredibly stoked right now. I was gonna wait to put those on because I wanted to film this big elaborate video where I took the truck out, showed the truck all the way around with the old rims and tires, and then showed it with the new rims and tires. But I just got so excited, I'm like, I gotta throw these things on right now and just see what they look like. And then I was gonna take them back off, and then my wife's like, just pick up the camera and start filming. So that's what I've done. I just picked up the camera and started to film, and it's pretty incredible, guys. This truck, you can tell that the side that the new tires are on is sitting up about an inch taller than the other side. The truck's actually lopsided a little bit. So here's a straight on view with the new tire, passenger side of course, and you can see where it kind of sticks out from the bumper there. You can see how wide the tire is, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you the old one so you can compare. So here's the old one. Sorry about the lighting, it's not that great. But you can see the old one definitely looks thinner, and it does not stick out of the body nearly as much. So without further ado, I'm gonna pull this truck back in here and swap out the other two tires and see how good this thing actually looks with 2018 Suburban stock factory, you know, 18-inch rims and tires. This is awesome, guys. I hope you guys think it is too. All right. Probably good there. Do that. Now we'll get the tire off the ground. And there she is. Our lug nuts, which may actually spin off. Whoa, guys, look at these. Holy moly. It just looks so incredibly good. Holy moly. I cannot believe how good those rims fit this Suburban. That's just amazing. All right, guys, not quite the reveal I was hoping for in the sun with everything clean and shiny, but a reveal nonetheless. Just for this video, we can do another one later. But man, look at this truck, guys. Look at how good that thing looks with these rims and tires on it. I can't even believe it. It transforms the whole vehicle. That is just insane.